here in this channel, I always explain things very easy to understand and very simply. So I don't get inside the details, technical things like this, because you know, if you are beginner, this is pizza and you need to understand. Simply, let's go ahead, copy this and you'll be good. Welcome to the best pizza channel. Hello guys from Maestro Iacopelli and welcome back to my channel. If you are new in this channel is only for pizza lovers. Yes, if you love the pizza, you are in the correct place. So here today I'm going to show you how to make the Poolish. It's for beginners, and then always people ask, but how you make the Poolish? This is the first thing when you make the pizza, so it's very important. That's why I dedicated one full video for this. Very simple, and let me show you how to make it from the beginning, and I'm going to explain to you everything, how to use it and how to make it. Go ahead, smash the like and subscribe, and now is the moment to share this video. So Poolish is basically a pre-fermented dough to be able to make the dough much more fragrant, much more light and much more puffy. So if you wanted the perfect pizza, this is the way to go. It takes only, you have to prepare this to be able to make the perfect pizza the day before. So the night before going to sleep, let's prepare the Poolish. Here we go. So is what we need. Simply, let's go ahead and let's put 300 milligrams in the bowl that we need to use for making the Poolish. So voila, 300 milligrams of cold water, possibly the water that we drink. Then we need to use 3 grams of dry yeast in the water. Then 3 grams of honey, because honey is the more organic and more natural sugar. So that's why we use that. Voila. Now let's go ahead, let's melt the yeast in the water. Okay, let us sit this yeast in the water for about 2-3 minutes, and then let's scale the flour. And then simply 300 milligrams of water, 300 grams of flour. Voila. And guys, trust me, this is good. This recipe is good even if you make 2 liters of water total. So this is basically, you're gonna use this Poolish as your yeast. Voila. Now let's get our water, and let's dump the flour in the water. Voila. Okay, now let's melt the flour and let's put everything together. Guys, I use here the flour that is not too strong, is 280 W. So the more long is the fermentation, the stronger needs to be the flour. So this is good for tomorrow and a very easy recipe. So I want to keep it simple. So I don't want to get inside the details, otherwise it's gonna be a mess. So let's go ahead, let's melt everything until it's all nice and smooth. Voila. The Poolish, it's ready. This is how you make the Poolish. Now let's get to the second step. Voila guys, so this is how you make the Poolish. So now we gotta basically cover up, but wait a second, I wanna show it to you. Here we go. I have the Poolish already made. This is basically 16 hours ago. Voila, let me show you how it is. This is the Poolish how it's supposed to be. Take a look, this is after 16 hours. This is basically your yeast. Perfect to make the dough. That's it. Now this one we cover up. This is how you rest. This is very important. So we keep the Poolish 1 hour at room temperature, and then after 1 hour we go ahead and we put it in the fridge for 16 to 24 hours. It's not really, it doesn't make a really huge difference if it goes if it goes to 24 hours. But it's very important that you know that if the Poolish past the 24 hours starts to get acid, it's not good anymore. So it's important to keep it in the fridge from 16 to 24 hours, and then it's ready to use. Okay, step number 3, how to use the Poolish. Especially if you are a beginner, this is the way to go. You can take it out from the fridge and use it right away to make your dough. So basically, when you make the dough, you can watch my videos or just add the flour, the water and the salt if you're going to use that. But also you can use this 100% Poolish. That means you just add the rest of the flour, and then that's how you make the recipe with 100% of Poolish flour and salt. So guys, this one was how to make the Poolish for beginners and also for professional. So I hope you like this video, and guys, smash the like, share these videos, share all my videos, and then if you want to make the recipe with the Poolish, please check out the description is the full video of the pizza dough. Thank you so much, and I'll see you at the next one from Maestro Iacopelli. Ciao!